Okay, let's take a look at problem 2, factoring a polynomial completely. It says, what is the factor form of 4q to the 4th minus 8q cubed plus 12q squared minus 24q? Factor completely. So I'm going to first factor out, looks like everything. I can pull out a 4q. And so when I do that, I get q to the third minus 2q squared plus 3q minus 6. Then I'm going to factor by grouping. So I'm going to put parentheses around these two and parentheses around those two. And I'm going to pull out what they have in common. This one, they have q squared in common. I'm left with q minus 2. Here they have a factor of 3 in common. I'm left with q minus 2 again. And so because I have q minus 2, I can pull that out. And I'm left with the q squared plus 3. And so I have 4q times q squared plus 3 times q minus 2. All right, let's take a look at the guide and do it on our own. So, let me move my board up just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So, I'm going to look here, and I see that I have a common factor of 3h. So, when I pull out the 3h, I'm left with 2h to the third plus 3h squared plus 4h plus 6. So, now I can factor by grouping. I can put groups, and I group these like that. And I'm going to say, what do they have in common? So for the first one, I have an h squared in common. I'll put my 3h out there. And so I see that when I pull out a h squared, I'm left with 2h plus 3. Here they have a 2 in common. So I'm going to bring down my plus sign. And I have 2 times 2h plus 3. And so they both have a 2h in common, so I'm going to pull out the 2h. Remember my 3h, so I have 2h plus 3 that I pulled out, and I have an h squared plus 2. And so now let's factor completely. And let's see if there is any other parts. Nope, that's it. I hope this helps.